At first, it looks like raw force tearing wood apart. But this isn't chaos, it's controlled energy. Every cut, every split is about efficiency, balance, and purpose. This is where technology turns effort into sustainability. Not every firewood machine can turn heads, but the Narva H60 does it with quiet authority. At first glance, it looks like a compact processor. Watch closer, and you realize it's a power unit engineered for efficiency. Large logs roll smoothly into the feed. The splitting head bites with surgical precision, and in a single stroke, rounds explode into perfectly sized firewood. With its integrated grapple, conveyor, and splitting system, the H60 replaces multiple machines in one towable, mobile unit. Fast to set up, flexible in the field, it reflects refined engineering built for both contractors and farmers. A modern workhorse that makes firewood production not just easier, but smarter. When winter bites, with freezing winds and packed snow, firewood is no longer comfort, it's survival. In these conditions, a homemade gear-driven log splitter takes on a role once carried by axes alone. A spinning flywheel and reduction gearbox drive the ram with relentless force, crushing birch rounds into neat stacks of fuel. Rust and wear mark years of service, but every strike echoes resilience, recalling a time when rural families built their own machines to endure harsh winters. This 40-ton homemade splitter stands like a brute, its oversized hydraulic ram tearing through even the hardest woods. Scarred steel frames carry the memory of countless winters and thousands of logs. Simple in design, reinforced wedges and oversized cylinders prove that raw strength often matters more than polish. Each piston stroke is deliberate, slow, unstoppable, turning dense rounds into perfect firewood. It wasn't built to impress, but to survive, proudly carrying the weight of time and labor. The Easton-built 37D doesn't just split wood, it dominates it with speed and raw diesel energy. Every log is crushed and cleared in seconds as the hydraulic system works at a pace few machines can match. Designed for high-output firewood operations, it handles heavy hardwood with ease, transforming piles of logs into uniform firewood at record speed. Built in North America, this splitter is a legend among professionals who demand efficiency and reliability day after day. A towering vertical splitter with massive hydraulic arms crushes even the thickest rounds without hesitation. Integrated log lifts save effort, conveyors streamline the process, and the entire system moves firewood from raw log to finished stack with industrial efficiency. Mounted on a mobile frame with an operator seat, it brings a full firewood plant wherever it goes, power, control, and productivity combined in one machine. Across the wide green fields of rural Australia, the Rex 600X by Whitland's Engineering turns raw logs into firewood with industrial precision. Loaders feed large rounds onto the deck, where hydraulic power and cutting blades split them cleanly in a single motion. Conveyors carry finished wood into bins, ready for transport or storage. Built for durability and high-volume demand, this machine reflects the rugged spirit of the land designed to handle the hardest timber while meeting modern agricultural needs. Some splitters bring factory-level power straight to the farm. The Crop CV18 Mobile proves why Slovenian engineering has earned its reputation across Europe. Mounted on a trailer, this vertical hydraulic splitter delivers 18 tons of crushing force, handling stubborn hardwood with ease. Precision hydraulics, a compact design, and decades of manufacturing experience combine tradition with modern practicality, turning logs into firewood with controlled power and unmatched reliability. In the frozen forests of northern Europe, a man fells a massive birch tree with a chainsaw, each cut echoing through the snow-covered silence. The logs are hauled back to the yard, where a small DIY splitter takes over. Compact, electric-powered, and deceptively capable, it breaks each block into neat firewood for the family stove. The scene reflects human resilience and ingenuity, a blend of traditional labor and homemade machinery against the harsh winter landscape. Long before hydraulics and steel claws, it was just people, axes, and endurance. Splitting massive rounds demanded precision, grip, and stamina. Every swing tested human strength against stubborn wood. That old-school power laid the foundation for the machines that followed. Now, mountains of firewood rise as hydraulic splitters crush thick logs with relentless force. Clean cuts, consistent output, and high productivity transform raw timber into uniform fuel in seconds. These machines aren't flashy, they're workhorses, dominating any woodpile with speed and precision. And sometimes, brute force isn't everything. In a quiet yard, a compact electric vertical splitter shows that patience and precision can win. Designed for small to medium logs, it delivers steady hydraulic force without engine noise. Ergonomic controls, compact size, and stable frames make it ideal for homeowners who value safety, consistency, and quiet efficiency. slower than heavy hydraulic beasts, but reliable proof that thoughtful engineering can balance convenience, durability, and long-term use. Here, power isn't wasted. It's guided, controlled, and respected. Wood becomes fuel, effort becomes efficiency, and technology, when used wisely, turns raw force into sustainable purpose. These machines don't just break wood, they reduce waste, save energy, and extend the life of natural resources. When power is guided by smart engineering, even the hardest material finds a second purpose.